Welcome, and following is a HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there's one thing that we will need, which is this SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device somewhere in the box, so you can find it over there, but if you can't, you can always use something like a paper clip and just straighten out one of the edges and it should work just as fine. So from there you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side. As you can see where that thing is holding right now. Push it in and you will see that the tray pops out, and from here you have access to two different SIM trays and one SD tray. So you can place your SIM card like so, like this, with the cutout on the bottom right corner, and the card, if I don't drop it, goes like this. Make sure that both of them are laying flush, and then while holding them securely so they don't fall out, I'll just slide it back into the device. Oh, and the card just kind of came out. There we go. And give it a moment, it should pop out. There we go, the pin. So let's put that in. And as HUAWEI is such a nice device, it automatically changes the language without even asking you, and completely removing the other one. So that's a nice thing. And now if you want, I can quickly go into changing the language just so you know how to do it. So you go into the system, which is the last option right here, and then you should find right here languages, which is a fourth option, then language and region, and you want to add again English or whatever your language was. Now whatever it's written there, the placement of the option is always the same, those don't change. So let's actually search it. We go English, yep, change it, and there we go. Now it's actually back to the language that probably, I most certainly prefer. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card. And just to quickly go, SD card should be working too, so gonna quickly go into storage just so you can see. There it is, SD card on top. So both of them are working. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.